Okay, we're gonna make chicken fajitas in the smart multi-cooker. So I have all the bell peppers, the flour tortillas, the fajita mix. You can make your own, but I like the packet. And then 2 pounds of chicken and the smart multi-cooker. Okay, so let me chop all this up and I'll get back and show you how it's done. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're going to put the chicken and all the bell peppers and everything into the silicone bag with the seasoning and marinate it for a little while. So this holds quite a bit. I don't know if I overdid it though. Isn't that pretty, all the different colored? I might have put a little bit too much, but we'll see. Silicone bags are pretty flexible, so you might be able to just squish it all in there. There we go. And look, just like I worried about getting it all in there. It might not all fit, but. And then this is the fajita package. There's recipes out there you can make your own. Yeah, but we're not doing that today. That's a different demo. Okay, then we're gonna close it, hopefully. Oh, look at how much it holds. It holds a lot. So we'll close it. It closes, the teeth close together, and it keeps it really liquid tight. You can't get the vegetables stuck in between the teeth though, because that won't work. So look how good it seals. It seals really well. So now you can just throw that all around. I think I'm gonna go read the directions because I might have to put a little bit of water in here to make the fajita seasoning go all around. But it's ready. I just gotta marinate it for a little while. I love the tongs to play with them. Okay, so here is the micro smart multi-cooker, and here's the basket. Look at how well all this mixed up. Isn't that cool? Hey, we'll see if this all fits. Probably not. Oh, maybe. Oh, not too bad. I don't know why I do this, because this is only my husband and I tonight. So it's kind of a lot. It says to put it in for about 15 minutes, but I shove so much in there. I'm gonna put water in this instead of the juices, because it steams it. You can steam it with the juice, but I'll show you. You put water, you fill it up to about the fill line over here. I might do it for a little bit. I'll do it for 15 minutes. You can cook it for a little longer. You can't uncook it though if you cook it for too long. So we'll put it in for about 15 minutes and see if it's cooked, even though I overstuffed it. Okay, the Tupperware products are usually pretty forgiving for me, and they fix all my mistakes. So we'll see. 15 minutes later. Okay, that was kind of a fail. I took out about half of the chicken and thing. I don't know if the package said it was 5 pounds of chicken for 2 something a pound, or 2 pounds of chicken for 5 something a pound. But there was way too much chicken. And then all the bell peppers and stuff didn't help. So this is it done. And it's hot. There's a lot of steam. So usually you do is you take this basket and you put it on and you put the wrappers on top, and the steam is still coming up, and it warms up the wrappers. So the wrappers get warmed up. So that's a lot better. But it looks good. It looks really good. You can see how good it is. You can see I took a lot of it out because it just was not, it was just too much. So use about half of what I used. But doesn't that look good? Right?